Happy Saturday, September 27th, 2025. I am here on the tetrahedron. I don't know why it's such a fun word to say. As I said before, this thing used to be out in the water. I would take my boat to it. But anyways, we got a little bit of rain late last night while I slept. And we might get a little bit more. We only got like 0.05 inches of rain, but might get some more. I'm gonna pan around here in a moment and show you the clouds. Yeah, look at that. Not so much over there, but we go towards the north here. Getting some nice looking clouds. Over there, there's a potential storm brewing, which would be to the northeast. And then we head east here towards El Centro, Nyland, Stab City. Yeah. And even to the southeast. I'm hoping some of that rain and possibly some thunder, some lightning before the thunder makes it here to Bombay Beach. We'll just have to wait and see. Is this some kind of bust? Well, it's very impressive, yes, but we need to ask you a few questions. Some of you know what movie line I'm referencing, but yeah, this bust was in the water until like a couple of years ago. It was pretty cool. You got to see a nice reflection. And of course, this was in the water, tetrahedron. Took my boat out too, but getting some nice clouds over there. I hope the storm makes it out here. It may or may not. We're just gonna have to wait and see. The devastation of the sea. I should have ate my breakfast here like I've done in the past, but just kind of chilling for a bit, waiting for the storm to roll in. Hopefully it does. We'll just have to wait and see. Just sitting here chilling and reflecting at the little pond here formed by a spring a few months back. Nice day out today, still hoping, waiting for the rain to come. But yeah, like there's this and so much to check out here in Bombay Beach, and there's always some new shit being added. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. Well, I don't know why people sing about that, because just do it. Nothing's stopping you from riding your bicycle, riding that bike that you want to do. Meanwhile, look at the storm over there. It's coming down probably somewhere between here and Nyland. Nyland is the last little town you pull off of the 111 highway before you head to Slab City. So hopefully the storm makes it here. Just killing, obviously, like always, I'm just killing time in the meantime, waiting for it to happen. I think these pyramids are great. I mean, they're pyramids and they're great looking. Another view of the approaching storm. Hopefully it makes it here. Of course, the Lago Sultan, or in GTA 5, they call it the Alamo Sea. Here in Bombay Beach, sandy shores. Nice clouds to the north. The chocolate mountains. And back to the pyramids. And that approaching storm. Just got to get a little closer. Can you hear me now? This is actually not a loudspeaker. It's more in reverse. So you hear the train horn, there's a train coming by. So what you do, and those are the chocolate mountains, you put your ear up to here and you listen to the sounds of the train. Of course, this cone's been a little tattered. Wait till the train gets a little close. Hopefully you can see it on the video. I got it zoomed in. Yeah, I think should be able to see the train going by. Well, let's listen for it. Yeah, pretty cool. Check this out sometime. This is, if you're coming from the town going down the beach, this is far off to the left, to the east. Definitely worth checking out. I forget I am a memory. Well, yeah, if you forget, how would you remember that you are a memory? But wow. And you know what else? The only other thing is nothing. This is some word art by Midabi, M-I-D-A-B-I. He's the same artist that created the only other thing is nothing sign on the beach. And there was a much bigger version that appeared in Burning Man and I think Union Square in New York. That much bigger version of the only other thing is nothing sign is now on display in the back parking lot of the Palm Springs Art Museum. So yeah, I keep forgetting that I am a memory. Still waiting for that storm. Maybe that I can watch something on TV, but I'm looking here, all these TVs, there's nothing on TV but me. And you must be the Monopoly guy. This is a huge, gigantic, ginormous square from a Monopoly board, complete with a hotel. And one of the most expensive properties, Park Place. Here in Bombay Beach, the corner of 5th Street and Isle of Palms. Meanwhile, there's that storm in the background. It's just not really getting much closer to here yet. Here, I forgot the name of this, but Randy Palumbo shiny spinning sparkly balls. And like me, at nighttime, they're lit. Pretty cool. Let me give you a closer view. Located at the corner of 1st and H. Pretty cool, these shiny little mirror glob ball thingies. You definitely gotta check it out at night too, because they're lit. It's like some sort of alien control tower. We are not from your planet. Yeah, you can see the storm behind there, but it's not really getting close enough to Bombay Beach yet. What a view of the storm. And if you look behind me, that storm is getting closer. Not seeing any lightning, but should be bringing us some rain pretty soon. More zoomed in view of the approaching storm. Yeah. Still killing time waiting for that storm, but I'm going to turn around here. We're getting a nice dust storm, but first I want to mimic the Biennale fish skeleton. And then of course, Dulcinea. Hell yeah! The storm has arrived. Woo! Hopefully Dulcinea will be okay. In the storm the other day, the fish lost one of the bones that's lying on the ground. But yeah, you can see the dust approaching. The storm is coming. It's about to touch down here in Bombay Beach, Playa Bombay, any minute now. Look at that. Woo! This storm is pretty fucking lit. Look at that. All this is dust in the wind. See the storm coming. It's coming across the playa. Look at that. Woo! Will we get some lightning before the thunder? Probably not, but we're definitely gonna get some rain pretty soon. So that dust blowing in the previous scene was just a little bit of a teaser, but the storm is obviously working its way over here. It hasn't brought any rain just yet. But it's definitely coming. Look at that. The storm be approaching, maydays! All hands on deck. I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. Arr! Avast, you scurvy scum! Oh, we make it through this storm. Oh my God, she's listing. Well, in reality, this is a pretty lame-ass storm. It's there in the distance, but I don't think we have to worry about this mighty vessel. Well, yeah, I will say this storm is definitely taking its sweet time. When we got the wind, you can see the rain in the distance. It's just not really coming down here yet. Hopefully, eventually. Well, that storm really didn't amount to much. It's moved over to the other side of the Chocolate Mountains. I mean, maybe if it gets some lightning, it'll turn the Chocolate Mountains into milk chocolate, but I think it's going to stay on the other side of the mountain, so I'm going to end this video, and I'm really fucking hungry, so I'm going to head to Del Taco or somewhere, get some lunch. Anyways, thanks for watching Kevin Lit. Be sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and have an awesome Saturday.